Good morning everyone, today is the 2nd of January 2026 and it is time to set myself some goals for the next 363 days. And hopefully it goes better than last year. Yeah, let's take a quick look at last year's goals. Finish my PowerPoint generator. I actually wanted to do this, but I didn't. Inventory management system. Ooh, I even already did the first stream, but yeah, that was the first and last stream. Browser extension. I did actually do something, so here's my sloppy prototype. I don't know. 300 leak code problems. Yeah, guess how much I did? I did 7. Yeah. So this year, I'll try to set myself some more achievable long-term goals. Goal number 1, most important one, I want to make 20 high-quality long-form programming videos this year. No more rushed slop, better ideas, better editing, and a better voiceover which doesn't make me sound like I haven't slept for the last 48 hours. I sleep 8 hours every day, don't worry. Last year, I finally started making better videos and not just, well, pushing slop every week. And yeah, I like the results of that. So let's continue this year. If you have any ideas for projects to code, let me know in the comments. Goal number 2, I want to continue my project, the MPC File Explorer, which is my better version of the Windows File Explorer. Right now, it's in a okay, usable state, but I want to make it better in every aspect possible. And yeah, I definitely have stuff to work on and features to add. Would be good to speed up the search system, rewrite some of the code base to make it more usable because right now it's a massive mess. Again, if you have any good ideas for it, let me know in the comments. Goal number 3, I want to make 12 good, high quality shorts this year, one for every month of the year, but just like with regular videos, no slop. I'll also be recording regular shorts like the one with printing random things on my thermal receipt printer. But with this goal, I mean 12 separately scripted shorts which aren't connected to any long form video, and I come up with unique ideas, write them out, and make a short. We'll see how this one goes, I'm not that good at making shorts. Goal number 4, I want to work on my GitHub profile. I did fine in 2025, 61 followers, 108 contributions, but why not double that in 2026? Because 108 contributions may seem like a decent amount, but if you look at the actual graph, you can see that I have been adding new code, well, not so regularly. I want to work on that this year because look, I basically took a half-year break here, which, yeah, that's bad. I want my graph to look more like this little part here, where I add new code pretty regularly. And while we are on the topic of my GitHub, let's do the yearly profile refresh. Here's a short time lapse. As you can see, I've removed the emojis, rewritten the text, and changed not much. Oh wait, I have a website. Well, I'll have to update it in one of my insane, high quality YouTube shorts. Goal number 5. I want to learn one new framework or programming language this year. Preferably, I'd like to get into a bit of mobile development, so I'll be looking into that. But yeah, why not learn a new programming language? Always cool to know more of them. Goal number 6, I want to hit 15,000 subscribers on YouTube. It's ambitious, yeah, it's triple what I currently have. But hey, why not try? Subscribe now, yes, go on. But honestly, if you want to see more high quality program videos this year instead of AI slop, then yeah, subscribe. Goal number 7, balance. But this year, I want to balance everything out. I want to upload videos regularly, I want to code regularly, and I want to keep a schedule. Yeah, a schedule. I want to finally be able to stay on a schedule, because what is the point of creating these beautiful colorful boxes if I keep getting distracted, keep moving them around, and just ignore half of them? Bonus goal. Yes, bonus goal, or should I say community goal. Alright guys, ready? Let's use AI less in 2026. What I mean by this is to stop using AI for the most random crap. Please. Let's stop using ChatGPT like Google. Over the last couple of months, I realized that I keep using AI for the most random things possible. And well, 2026 is the year of using our brains. Let's do this one together. Let me know what you think. Finally, my last goal. I want to learn something new every day. And for that, I want to continue using my favorite learning tool, Brilliant.org, this video sponsor, because Brilliant is the best way to actually learn something new. You see, I like STEM topics like maths and computer science. Why not start off the year with a new habit of learning something every day? Brilliant and I believe that you should actually understand something and not just memorize the answers to the questions. I simply go onto Brilliant, scroll through their massive catalog of courses and find something that interests me today. I've been using Brilliant for nearly a year now, and I must say, it's very worth it. I've been using Brilliant to explore new topics as well as polish old skills. If you want to get started on Brilliant for free, check out my link in the description. Additionally, Brilliant has given you 20% off the annual premium subscription. So, those are my 2026 goals. I think they're pretty realistic, but let me know. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for the upcoming Arch Linux video. Goodbye.